Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I am going to explain how you can set print margins for your print template so that they come within the size of the paper that you have put in the printer. So whenever you have to take a printout, you just search, like I am just taking an example of a loan card, but wherever you go, in whichever, say you want to print any formats in the customer or in the deposit, you just have to search for that particular customer or deposit and go to the print section here. In the print section, just select the just select the document you want to print and click on the printer icon. When you click on the printer icon, you can see that it is loading the preview here. Okay, now this blue icon opens in the portrait layout. Now if you want to change the settings of this so that it fits your printer and printer page, you have to just go to more settings, select the paper size you have taken in the printer, pages per sheet is 1, and here there is custom margins. So if it is none or default, you can just go to custom margin and then set the margin as in how it fits your printer page. Say 0.41 and then just make it 0.41 all the way through. So any format for that matter, if you want to set the print margins, this is the way to set it. This is the way you're going to set the print margins of any print format in Jainam Software. Okay. Now one thing I wanted to mention here is, and then you can just click on print. So every time you open this print format, you're going to have this margins that are set. Okay. Now one more important thing I wanted to show is, this blue icon is for portrait layout and this green icon is for landscape layout. It opens in the landscape. Actually here you will see that it actually opens in the landscape. Okay, there is some issue, but right now there is an issue, but if you see, it actually opens in the landscape, and then you can set the margins in the same way by going to more settings. Okay, so friends, this is how you set print margins for any of the print format in Jainam Software. So thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.